Famous teachers have found an easy way to prepare eye-catching video lessons. Most of the students love video lessons. But preparing these video lessons puts teachers in a lot of trouble. It means instructors sometimes need 2 to 3 days and more to prepare a 5 to 10 minute video lesson. Sometimes teachers and trainers try to start working with freelancers to make their online tutorial videos. Teachers who start working with freelancers think that they will save time. But what happens after all? Spending several hours or days to find the right person. Even freelancers who know their job well can prepare a product, but that you may not like. It may take more than 5 to 10 hours or a few days to get from your freelancer absolutely what you want. Meanwhile, you have to pay your freelancer for the job you don't like. As a result, you may be wasting your time and money. Tired of such problems, famous trainers discovered a new and easy way to make whiteboard, blackboard, glassboard, or custom color board videos like you watch now, which saves time and money from unrelated freelancers. These new and easy-to-use instructional videos attract students' attention more. Being able to watch the same subject over and over again, and watching the training video in a more understandable style adds value to the quality of education. Because in this way, students can watch again and again, learn their lessons in a more fun way. Easy understandable instructional video animations have become a sign of the high value of education and training. For preparing eye-catching instructional videos in an easy way, you can click on the clickable link or button below to save your time and money.